Hello, in this video I will show you basic light adjustment using levels in Photoshop. First we choose Image, Adjustments, and then Levels. Shortcut Ctrl-L. The cursor you see on the left allows you to adjust the dark tones of the image. You can increase the shadow by pulling it to the right. The cursor in the middle allows you to adjust the gray tones of the image. The rightmost cursor allows you to adjust the white balance of the photo. If your image is dark, you can add light by pulling it to the left. Press and hold the Alt key and activate the Reset key. You can reset the settings you have made. In the Output Levels section, you can adjust the basic light of the image. By clicking Preview, you can see the transactions you have done on the visual. The dropper icon on the left that you have seen makes an adjustment based on a black point you have selected on the image. The dropper icon in the middle makes an adjustment based on a gray point you have selected on the image. The rightmost dropper icon makes an adjustment based on a white point you selected on the image. You can adjust not only black and white, but also red, green, blue tones in your image from the channel menu. You can use a preset previously made for you from the preset menu. Dark, soft, or bright. You can save the settings you have made and save them as ALV files to your computer for later use or send to your friend. You can click Load, select another ALV file and load a preset. If you want, you can click the Auto option and let Photoshop detect the light of the image for you and make an automatic adjustment. If you found our video helpful, you can like it and subscribe.